Castagnet aluminium trucks are provided with the ideal characteristics for a decent and comfortable livestock transport. All its mechanisms are designed to give the maximum facilities to the driver, who without any effort is ready for loading in just a few minutes. When the livestock leave the farm, they easily go on the truck platform. Animal stress is avoided. With the elevator help, livestock is loaded on the truck. The driver can easily distribute it. Safety, both for driver and cattle, is warranted. In just over 1 hour, the driver is able to load approximately 240 animals, which receive a decent and humane treatment, thanks to the design and the technical characteristics of Castagnet trucks. The driver finishes his job effectively, but without having done any physical effort, and relaxed. Now the last trip of the animals begins. With the Castagnet aluminium trucks, the animals will travel comfortably and will reach their destination in the best healthy and hygienic conditions, without stress. Remember that it is in the last trip where the final quality of the meat is decided. Castagnet, by benefiting your animals, we benefit your company.